Practice log vlog number 2. So today we are going to be looking at, boom, bird fives in minor thirds. Here's the idea of bird fives in minor thirds descending. Okay, let's see what we can do with that. So here's how I practice this stuff. So the bird fives, I just played it freely. So we have the quintuplet feel, which is basically the downbeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll check that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, I play it in 16th notes. So this is going to change the entire sound of this exercise. And what we're getting now is we're going to get like a 5-note pattern, but over 4, right? Over 16th notes. So this whole iteration of this line will go through, you'll go through an octave of it, because remember we're going down in minor thirds. So we're starting at F sharp, tenor key. We're starting on F sharp, going down to E flat, going down to C, going down to A. But when we get back to F sharp, we're actually hitting beat 2 of the next bar. So this is a good way to play over the bar line type of stuff. Now in this last way, we're doing triplets. So now I'm introducing a whole nother rhythm. So we had quintuplets, 16th notes, like a duple meter. Now we have triplets, so triple meter. And now it's going to be even different. So remember, we're starting on F sharp, going down to E flat, going down to C. And then the next time when we get to A, we're actually in beat 2 of the next bar. So we're not even back to the original key we started in. So this is even more spread out way to like keep playing over the bar line in the way I'm hearing it, in the way that I'm thinking of this as I practice this. But yeah. That's a workout. And then I start working it into my improvisation. That's it. Bird fives.